Inheritance tax is a tax that is levied on your assets on death. So it brings to mind one question, which is, does it matter that when you die, all of your assets go to the people you intend rather than to the government? If the answer to the question is yes, then there are several things that you can do to reduce the amount of inheritance tax payable. The tax is levied on all assets in excess of £325,000. So for everything that you had over £325,000, there'll be a tax of 40 pence in the pound. And there are several things that you can do, the first step of which would be to write a will that can minimize the the amount of inheritance tax payable. When people learn how to do the calculation, they discover that there's a good chance that they would have the problem. They need to count their assets, which are primarily their homes, place in which they live, other property, which are relatively easy and straightforward, cars and trinkets, bank accounts. But an important element which they often forget are things like insurance policies, pension policies, and such like. When those are added up, the figure of 325,000 is very easily exceeded. So there's several things that you can do in your will to reduce the level of inheritance tax payable, often to zero.